Hello, hope you are doing great. So today I will show you how to generate a dummy post into your WordPress website. So sometimes it's a need because to test some plugins or test some widgets. So I'm just recently developed a plugin. So I need some post which has thumbnail and some content and the title. So I'm just showing you right now how to create uh, dummy post. So you have to go to add new plugin and then search with wp cost wp dummy generate content generate wp dummy content generate. You can just search here and this is the plugin, so just install it. So it will installing. In the meantime we will just remove all the posts. Trust, empty trust. Okay, so installing it. Okay, now activate. So we don't have any post right now, so all posts are deleted. Okay, so if you go here, no post here. So I just install this wp content generator, dummy content generator, and then you will see here you can generate products, you can generate post, user, dummy content. So I am going to showing you the generate posts. So you can generate post through here. How many number you want to post? So I let's say 16 or 15, and then you can publish this post for October 1. Just post range from start to finish, and then also tick mark here if you want featured image. So featured image is I need this featured image section, so that's why I tick mark here. So then generate post. Okay, post generated successfully. You will see post here. This is the 15 post, and also if you go all post, you will see all the posts here. So if you go to site and then test, oh sorry, need to test this plugin. Okay, you will see here, you will see all the posts are showing here with feature image. Okay, with feature image with dummy content. So thank you. If you have any questions, just comment below, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will help you. Thank you.